What are the technical limitations when working with cloud video editing? There's only really one. It's your internet connection speed. Your workstations and your NLEs should be playing back proxies if you're working over a cloud video editor. And the only real bottleneck you're gonna hit when working with proxies and working in Premiere, unless you're working on some really old hardware, is probably gonna be your internet connection speed. Make sure your IT team gets in contact with their ISP, get the fastest internet you can, maybe even get a second internet line specifically for the video editing team to use independently of the rest of the company. Whatever you can get yourself access to regarding getting a good connection to the cloud is probably going to be the most important thing. You can't control it when a editor is off-site at their house, but at least when they're inside the main company office, you should be able to get them the best connection possible.